How to make money online with YouTube. Hey Space Cadets, feeling the pull of YouTube stardom but lost in the nebula of monetization? Fear not, intrepid explorers. We're about to chart a course to financial freedom fueled by your killer content. So grab your trusty camera or phone, strap on your creativity helmet, and prepare to slingshot into the lucrative galaxy of YouTube riches. Before we warp speed, don't forget to ignite the hyperdrive, subscribe to this channel. Your views are the fuel that keeps this spaceship soaring, so let's blast off together. Launchpad. Joining the YouTube Partner Program. First stop by BP, the YouTube Partner Program. It's like your spaceship's launchpad, granting you access to ad revenue. Rack up 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year, and boom, you're ready to unleash the power of pre-rolls and mid-rolls. Ads might not buy you a moon base just yet, but they're a solid first engine for your monetization rocket. Beyond ads, unlocking the monetization cosmos. But hold on, ads are just the starter fuel. Buckle up for a tour of the monetization multiverse. Merch mayhem. Unleash your inner fashionista. Design killer t-shirts, mugs, or even custom spacesuits. Okay, maybe later. And let your fans proudly display their fandom. Every purchase is like a meteor shower of cash raining down on your account. Sponsored spree. Think of it as a cosmic barter system. Brands offer you sweet loot, then gadgets, trips to Mars, maybe even a cameo in a space opera, in exchange for showcasing their products in your videos. It's like a test drive, but you get paid to hold the steering wheel. Affiliate our meta. Become a cosmic product ambassador. Recommend the coolest gadgets, tastiest space food, or even training robots, because who wants to clean the spaceship? Through your unique affiliate link. Every purchase made through your link sends commission fuel straight to your rocket's engines. Fan funding frenzy. Let your superfans be your cosmic sugar daddies. Super chats, super thanks, and channel memberships are like virtual tip jars on steroids. Your most dedicated viewers can directly fuel your creative engine, ensuring you never run out of ideas or space snacks. Navigating the nebula of competition. Remember, space can be crowded. To stand out among the millions of channels, carve your own niche. Whether it's deep diving into astrophysics, showcasing the culinary delights of alien cuisine, or teaching viewers how to build their own miniature space stations, find your unique corner of the YouTube universe. Be the go-to expert, the hilarious entertainer, or the passionate advocate that your target audience craves. Collaborate and conquer. Joining the cosmic crew. No astronaut goes it alone, and neither should you. Team up with other YouTubers in your niche. You join videos, host live streams together, or even create an entire space channel network. Collaboration not only boosts your visibility but also opens doors to new audiences and potential sponsorships. Think of it as a cosmic alliance, propelling everyone's channels to new heights. Content is king and queen, fueling your engine with variety. Variety is the spice of the intergalactic content buffet. While you might have a core passion that drives your channel, don't be afraid to explore different formats. Try vlogs, challenges, interviews, behind-the-scenes peeks, or even animated shorts. Keep your viewers engaged and surprised, and they'll keep coming back for more spacefaring adventures. Master the marketing maneuvers, charting your course to success. Don't just launch your content into the void and hope for the best. Craft a solid marketing strategy to reach your target audience. Leverage social media, engage in online communities, and explore paid advertising options. Remember, you're not just a content creator, you're a cosmic brand, and branding takes war, so there you have it, Space Cadets. You're now equipped to transform your YouTube channel into a cosmic cash machine. Remember, YouTube's success isn't a one-way trip to Pluto. It's a constant exploration. Keep blasting off with fresh ideas, engaging content, and a sprinkle of monetization magic. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the crew on this epic YouTube adventure. Until next time, happy vlogging, and may your views reach infinity and beyond.
JudyFmarketing.com, the anti-9-to-5 income plan. How I quit my job and retired decades early.